What is going on, guys? We are back today with Tutorial Tuesdays, and today we're learning the deadlift. So we're gonna go over the form for the deadlift. It's gonna be 5-step method to make it easy for you guys. Actually, even before the 5 steps, is you wanna make sure that your footwear is good. So as you guys can see here, I'm not wearing good footwear for deadlifts, but I forgot my shoes, so you know, it is what it is. So I gotta work with what I have. So ideally you wanna go with flat shoes like my cameraman has here, some nice white Vans, but as you can see, they're very flat, so that's what you want to use. Otherwise, if you don't, you can go barefoot as well. That's good if your gym allows that. So 5-step method, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to step halfway through the bar. So you see that my foot goes halfway through the bar here. Front half is here and back half is here. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is you're going to grip the bar just wider than shoulder length, like this, okay? Step number 3 is you're going to come down like this and roll the bar to your shins. Now you want to sit back, but you don't want to be sitting to the point where you're losing your balance. I'm sitting back here, and this is where I find the point where I have the best balances. So if I let go of the bar, you can see that I still have balance here. Whereas if I'm going like this, you can see that I fall back after. So that means that it's not good. Step number 4 is you're going to retract your scapula. So you're going to put your shoulders back and down like that. And that's where you're going to lift the bar. That's a very important point. You don't want to shrug your traps up like this. You want to just put it back like that and then grip the bar like that. Step number 5, the final step, is once you have that all down, you're going to push up with your legs. That's the most important point. A lot of people get injuries from the deadlift because they're lifting the weight with their back, and you need to be lifting it with your legs. Now, if your back rounds a little bit, it's not a big issue. The most important thing is that you're pushing through with your feet and through your legs and not lifting it with your back. So let's put that all together now. Now push it through with the legs. Make sure to breathe. Now, when you're coming down with the deadlift, you want to lower it the first half with your back without bending your legs, and then the second half you're going to start to bend your legs. So like this, then bend down like that. You don't want to immediately just start squatting here, getting awkward, because you're gonna probably throw your back if you do that. So another tip is when you get to heavier weights, you guys can use straps. Now, you have the alternate grip, but the risk with that is if your form is not perfect for that, you can tear your bicep, which is a really nasty injury, so you want to avoid that. So invest in some straps. They're not too expensive, maybe like 15 to 30 bucks, and it's gonna make your deadlifts a lot easier. And if you don't have bumper plates, guys, do not slam the weights. I cannot stand when people are just slamming the weights, especially when it's like floor like this. You just ruin the gym floors, guys. Don't do that. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video.